In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys here how to earn free crypto passively in 2022. I'm gonna show you guys here exactly what to do to be earning crypto and money passively. So I just want to say that I've been using Voyager and also Celsius, and my links for them are going to be in the pinned comment and description below if by the end of this video you're convinced that you want to join and start earning crypto and money passively. Now again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you guys to do this. This is just my opinion and my experience using both Voyager and Celsius. Now, one of my predictions for 2022 is that a lot of people are going to come to Voyager and Celsius for one main reason. And that main reason is that Voyager and Celsius are coming out with a card. And on top of that, they're coming out with a way, specifically Celsius. Okay, they're coming out with a way where you can connect your bank and just easily send money to it. Voyager already has that feature, but Voyager is coming out with a debit card. And basically, why is this going to attract more people? Okay, just normal, common people to it, because it's going to be easy to use your money on Celsius and Voyager while earning passive income. So for example, guys, instead of having your money in your bank, now with this debit card that Voyager is coming out with and also Celsius, okay, you can have your money in Voyager or Celsius and buy USDC, and USDC basically is a crypto, but it's pegged to the dollar, so it doesn't change. It's not volatile. It's just always consistently $1. So it's right over here at the top, USDC at 9%. Now, what does that mean? That basically means that in order to earn 9% APY on your USDC, you need at least $100, 100 USDC, and then you're gonna get 9% on that. So let's do some calculations here. So I got here my calculator, so let's do some calculations here. So let's say you just have $2,000 in your Voyager account, right, as USDC. So determine how much you'll get paid out monthly, because Voyager pays it out monthly. Okay, you're gonna get 2,000 times 0.09, which is 9%. You're gonna get, that's how much you'll get paid yearly for holding that much at that APY, 9%. But now we're going to divide it by 12, which is 12 months, and you'll get $15. Okay, it might not seem a lot, but for just holding $2,000, instead of holding it in a bank where it's earning nothing, in fact, a lot of banks have fees like maintenance fees and stuff like that. On Voyager, you're getting $15 just for holding it on there a month, right? So that's kind of crazy. And once people start understanding this and watch my videos and, you know, start seeing that you can literally have this on Voyager and Celsius and get free crypto and money just for having it on there. And on top of that, with the card that allows you to spend that money, because this is going to be more convenient for people to spend the money, because before you couldn't spend it on Voyager or Celsius. You would have to like send it back to your bank. Now you could spend that money, including the USDC, just with that card. So now people are going to be like, you know, why don't I just have a good chunk of my money in this, earn passive income, right? It doesn't have to be a crypto. Now there's other cryptos here. So for example, Polkadot, that's 12% just for holding Polkadot. And you got to understand that Polkadot and other cryptos are volatile. So they're consistently changing, which can be a good thing or a bad thing. But again, like I said, you can just have USDC, which is not volatile, it's just stable, and you'll get that amount for just $2,000, or you can have more or less, right? Now, I'm going to show you guys here the two differences between Celsius and Voyager. Personally, I use both. The difference between Voyager and Celsius is that on Voyager, they pay it out monthly. So that $15 right there, it's going to get paid out monthly, okay? Secondly, you need a monthly balance, a minimum monthly balance. As you guys can see, this is the amount that you need for each crypto. And also, one of the cons of Voyager is if you want to withdraw your crypto to like some other app or to a wallet, there's a withdrawal fee for that, okay? But you don't have to. You can just keep it on Voyager and sell it on Voyager. But those are the things about Voyager. Now hopping on here to Celsius, which they are going to come out with a card and also a way for you to connect your bank and send the money over. Okay, on Celsius, what's awesome is that there's no withdrawal fees. Okay, when you want to withdraw, you can withdraw as much as you want, and there's no fee for that. The second part about Celsius is that they pay it out weekly. So let's say that $15, right? You got $2,000. The monthly amount that you get for that is $15. And let's say there's 4 weeks in that month, divided by 4. That's how much you get paid out every week. So you're getting your money paid out weekly compared to monthly, which can be a good thing or bad thing as well. But personally, I like it weekly because it just compounds more every single week, in my opinion. So that is pretty awesome with Celsius. And on Celsius too, they usually have a pretty higher interest rate on Celsius, but Voyager is still pretty competitive. As you guys can see, 9% USDC on Celsius. At the moment it's 8.5, right? But if you like Bitcoin on Celsius is 6.20 versus on Voyager, which is 4.75. So there's some good ones on Voyager and then some good ones on Celsius. So it's kind of balanced in that way. And to end it, guys, if you guys use my referral code for both Voyager and Celsius, the promotion for Voyager is you'll get $25 free worth of Bitcoin that you can keep or sell just by using my promotion and then putting in at least $100. And then for Celsius, it's pretty big. It's $50, I believe, in Bitcoin. And they have a bunch of other promotions as well that you can do by yourself. But that's how much you get paid for using my promotion for both Celsius and also on Voyager. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think this is going to be something huge in 2022, especially with the new updates that Celsius and Voyager is coming out with the cards. It's going to make everything more convenient, and people are going to question, you know, why would I want to hold my money in a bank when I can earn passive income on my money, right? Especially with inflation going up. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys again. Use my referral codes in the pinned comment and description, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.